So we are studying about the birds, and we have seen the different parts of the body of birds. We have seen how different parts of the body of bird helps it, right? Then we have seen how the birds hear and breathe, right? And now let us see how birds fly, right? We have studied in our previous video that birds are the only living creatures or animals that have feathers, right? Now birds also have wings which help them to fly. So birds fly with the help of their wings which are attached to their chest muscles. So I have told you in my previous video also that muscles are there in our body for the movement, right? So muscles help in the movement. So wings are attached to the chest muscles which help in the movement. Now what birds do? They flap their wings up and down. So all of you must have seen birds flying, right? So birds fly with the help of their wings. They flap their wings up and down. Okay, now let us see the movement of wings. So they use two types of strokes to fly. First is the upstroke and the downstroke. Okay, strokes means movements. Okay, so the wings of the bird perform two types of strokes or movements during flight. That is, when they are flying, they perform two types of movements. The first one is upstroke and the second one is downstroke. Upstroke, as the name itself suggests, upstroke, that is, the movement is upward, but along with upward movement it is the forward movement also. Okay, so when a bird is in upstroke movement, that means it's flapping its wing upward and forward. Okay, let us see here in the picture. Can you see here? So this is the upstroke. Okay, upstroke means upward and forward. So it flaps the wing up and moves forward. Then the second is the downstroke. So as the name itself tells us, downstroke, that is down movement. Okay, downward. So the movement of the wing is downward and backward here. Okay, so first is upstroke, upward and forward movement. The second is downstroke, downward and backward movement. Look here in the picture. Can you see? The wings are down and they are back. Look at their body. If you see it clearly, their bodies are backward. So they are flapping the wings downward and backward. In the upstroke, they are flapping the wing upward and forward. Okay, so they use these two kind of movements or these two type of movements to fly. First upstroke, they flap their wings upward and forward, and the second downstroke, that is, they flap their wings downward and backward. Okay, now we know that all types of birds have wings, but all birds cannot fly. Okay, all birds have wings, but all birds cannot fly. For example, ostriches and penguins. So these birds, they do not fly. They have wings, but they are unable to fly, and such birds are known as flightless birds. Flightless birds means which cannot fly. Flight means to fly, flightless means cannot fly. So ostriches and penguins are some examples of birds that are flightless birds, that is, they cannot fly. So we have seen how birds fly. Birds fly with the help of the wings. Their wings are attached to their chest muscles. Birds flap their wings up and down to fly. They perform two types of strokes or movements during the flight: upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke means moving forward and upward. Downstroke means moving downward and backward. All the birds have wings, but all birds cannot fly. For example, ostriches and penguins, they cannot fly. Therefore, they are called as flightless birds.